Today we're gonna look at 3 mistakes that are commonly seen in hip action. When you're moving your hips, you want to imagine there are 2 pistons, basically, from your hip to your armpit. And those pistons are kind of working up and down, right? So they're lengthening here and shortening. If you just focus on one side of your body, you will automatically do it on the other side. It's like magic. All right, so pistons. To de-stiffenize the hips, we want to recruit the help of these knees, bad boys, right there. Right, so keep them a little bit bent so you have a little bit more movement. Imagine your hips are sawing through a piece of wood. Your hips are looking sharp. You want to keep your upper body really still by using your arms and anchoring your shoulders down. So imagine your upper body is like a boat, yeah, floating on top of the water. And underneath the water are its propellers, which are your hips. And your hips are moving, but the upper body, which is the boat, is still. Okay? So this way you can really see the action of the hips. Keep that boat afloat. What we did today is just the preschool of hip action. But you want to have like PhD of hips. If you want that, you got to get your hands on our 6 tips to sexy hips completely free. You just enter your information and we'll send you a 6 tips tutorial that will explode your hip action. I'm LiWen from Dance Insanity,
and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!